Okay, so I'm trying to like get the best of both worlds with both of these. And if I bring it up too high, it kind of takes over the clap. I want the clap to be the emphasis here. But you know, it's kind of like a nice little rhythm that the crowd can clap to when the hype part comes. Like, you know, your pre-chorus is basically right here, and then we're gonna come into the build here, and I think this is where we would introduce the chorus melody with a filter. It might be too much. Yeah, let's see if it works. Let's go ahead and grab a filter. Not a delay, just a filter. There you go. All right. And let's automate it to go up here. Okay, yeah, so let's go ahead and delete the time here because I don't want it to build forever. It's, what is it, 8 more bars right here? No, that's too much. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and hit delete time. Alright, that's working pretty good. Let's go ahead and grab the fill from the drop. Alright, LFO tool is a little bit too much. Let's bring this up. Sometimes it's cool to just cut out the melody to make room for the snare. It's like a nice little just smack in your face transition just before the big drop. Maybe not. I kind of like it with it. It kind of resolves the melody nicely.